Hey everyone, there is a new easy scenario, find the bad git commit gitega, and I really liked it because I learned something new today. Yay! I received an official newsletter from sadservice.com. They showed that they actually did lots of fixes. They introduced some fixes in this new scenario, um, and I actually gonna show you the solution today. So let's actually read the description. The directory has a Git repository with a golang program and a test for it. To execute the test from this Git directory, run go test. The last current head commit fails the test. Suppose the first commit passed the test. First, the long hash commit that first broke the test and enter it in the home admin solution file. For example, blah, blah, blah. Check my solution button. So again, the directory has a Git repository with a small golang program and a test for it. To execute the test, you run go test. The last current head fails the test. Suppose the first commit passed the test. Find the long hash commit that first broke the test. So we need the first bad commit, not the working commit, but the bad commit. Okay, so let's actually see what do we have here. So we have git folder, and we have some, we've got a Go program here. Okay, nothing really interesting here, and we've got the test, which is Go test. We've got a test here, and basically we have it as a Git repository, right? Yeah, this is a Git repository. If I do git log, I'm going to see all of the commits, and it has what? It has first, second, third, fourth, sixth, module name, readme. So in total, something like 9 commits here, 6 or 8 commits. One of them broke it, and if I actually run go test, it's gonna. So go test runs the version of code that is currently at the latest, at this one, right? This is where the head is. This is the current version. This is the current version, F2E018, blah, blah, blah. And it actually fails. So it says fail, and now we need to find, if I do, for example, git reset to one of these hash commits, it's gonna show me the version that was present back then according to this commit, right? Git reset soft, for example, this one, but soft will not work here. If you do actually hard reset, it's gonna basically wipe out the entire log, and it will show you the commit that you show here. I hope it's clear. So for example, if I do git hard reset right now, if I do this, it's gonna actually truncate the entire git log history, and basically bring the entire source code here to this particular commit, to this version of code, right? But okay, let's actually, so the idea to solve it is you can actually do git reset hard and try every single one of those, but there is a better way to do this. You can do git bisect. Now let me actually show you what git bisect does. So this is a small diagram here. So git bisect is this automatic tool that can basically utilize binary search and jump to find the latest working commit. So you give it a program to run. In our case, you give it the go test. You give it the go test program to run, and it uses this program to find where it actually failed. It shows you the first working commit. So if you're familiar with binary search, you know that, yeah, you know that it's gonna actually be jumping. So it's first gonna cut in the middle, apply the binary search. It's gonna find the middle commit and check if it works there. If it's not working, then it's gonna jump earlier, and again find the commit that's again in the middle of the new range, right? So this is how git bisect works. It's an automatic process. So let's actually do this. So we do git bisect start. Now we need to indicate the first the bad commit. The bad commit is this one, right? So we just do it like this, git bisect bad. Now you give it the good commit, the very first one. Let's say we don't want to actually sit and figure out which one. So we're just gonna give it, because binary search is fast, you can give it the first and last commit, and it's gonna basically do all of the revisions, right? Git bisect run go test. And so we're giving it the run command, and yeah, it actually, see, this is how quickly it works. Even if you have, like, let's say thousands of commits, the log n of the binary search runtime will actually show you that it's pretty fast, right? So this is running at the one revision left, blah blah blah. So this is the first one. So this was the running from the first one to the last one, and we have third running go test pass. So the third one, we see that the third one was the pass. Then it's using the fourth one and it's failing. So see, it actually indicated that the third commit was okay and the fourth one was basically the bad one. Yeah, it's telling us, right? The fourth, this is the fourth commit, this is the long hash, and it's saying this is the first bad commit. So we're gonna take this long hash and actually do yeah. And if you actually do the MD5 sum, it's returning us F7D blah blah blah, something that's similar to this one. Yeah, so this is a great scenario to see how git bisect works. I hope you learned something new today.